Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Garageband and create a new project. Select a hip-hop or electronic template so instruments and drum kits load pre-configured. Next, set the BPM and key. This locks groove and harmony, so make a choice you can tweak later. Add a software instrument or drummer track as your foundation. Pick a kit with the right punch. Once done, arm the track for recording and lay down a short loop to test levels and feel, adjusting gain carefully. You now build the arrangement by looping a reliable 1/2 or 1-bar groove and stacking elements on separate tracks. Program a strong kick, place snare accents, and add hi-hat patterns, then introduce bass and a pad to fill frequency spectrum. Quantize lightly and humanize velocity so the beat breathes rather than sounds robotic. Once layered, use send effects and EQ on each track to carve space. Automate filter or reverb for movement across bars to keep listeners engaged. You finish by mixing. Set relative levels, pan percussion, and add bus compression for glue. Use EQ to create separation between kick and bass. Once balanced, normalize and export as WAV or 320 kbps MP3 depending on delivery. If something goes wrong, like a muddy mix, solo offending tracks and cut around 200 to 500 Hz, then tighten the low end with a high pass on non-bass elements. Finally, compare your track to a reference and make small tweaks before final export.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.